For learning about lesbians.
Yay!
Can you say lesbian? Good job.
Lesbians!
Here are two lesbians. Miss Chrissy is a cisgender woman. Miss Annie is a transgender woman. But wait, Miss Lily, how can a transgender woman be a lesbian? Great
That's a
question.
straight
Let's
relationship
put on our thinking caps.
with
Trans
extra
and
steps.
cis are adjectives that modify the noun woman. Just like vanilla and chocolate modify the noun ice cream. They're both
Oh, but the conservatives are the weird ones around kids.
Imagine, you are teaching these kinds of concepts sa isang bata. And you're wondering why pabagsak yung literacy rate natin. Anong niyan? Anong silbi niyan sa mga bata? 'Di ba? Hindi nga siya pasok sa STEM subjects eh. Ano naman ngayon kung relationship with extra steps yan? Sige nga, how can it benefit the child? 'Di ba? Anong mapoproduce ng child sa ganyang klaseng ideology? Sige nga. Tapos pinapangalat nyo pa sa bata. I mean, those kinds of discussions or topic can wait. Lalo na pag adult sila at nag-decide sila na ang gusto nilang partner same-sex, 'di ba? Or yung tingin nilang kasarian nila gusto nila maging baka, maging hayop. Those can wait. Pero for now na bata sila, teach them values. Teach them something that they could use para maging productive citizen ng Pilipinas. Yung pagiging bakla, yung pagiging tomboy, yung pagiging LGBT, those can wait.
This is Pinoy Extreme.